guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my thought on some products that I have emptied out completely. So this is going to be a mini review kind of product, and it has been a long time since I did my last product empty video. So first I was just thinking of doing a single one video, then I decided I have so many product empties and I decided to break the video into two parts. This is part 1, and in part 1 I'll be sharing with you all my makeup empties, and in part 2 I'll be sharing with you all my hair care and skincare empties. And my neighbor's dog is barking, so please do excuse that. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Spoiler alert, this video contains a lot of setting spray empties. Then I have one foundation, that is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade 2.0, which is a perfect shade for me. I adore this foundation. It is a great foundation, you guys. If you are looking for a good drugstore foundation, definitely give it a shot. And here's the spoiler alert, I actually used this foundation in my wedding as well as in my reception. I did my reception makeup and my wedding makeup, and I actually used this particular foundation. Long lasting, does not dry out, my skin does not cake up, does not emphasize any texture, does not transfer, medium to full coverage. In short, it's a great foundation and you should grab this foundation as soon as possible. I will probably grab this foundation as soon as I get back to India, which I know we cannot do that right now, but as soon as I go back to India, I will grab this foundation. Last time when I went to India, I tried to order my shade, that is 2.0, but everywhere the shade was unavailable. The shade was sold out, so I could not grab it. But this time when I get back to India, I will 100% repurchase this particular foundation. There is another foundation that I emptied out completely, and I'm talking about this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer over here. And this is in the shade 051 Beige, which I used to wear a lot, and I used to think that it's a perfect match for me, but not anymore. Recently I got the shade 06 and it matches me even better. 06 has a really nice yellow undertone to it, and I have yellow undertone. It is more like a cool or neutral tone foundation, so I prefer the shade 06 over this one, and I've already purchased it. It is a beautiful foundation, gives you like high coverage. It is a satin matte finish foundation, and it is very long lasting. I have used this foundation in my last bridal makeup tutorial. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and check it out and you will understand what I'm talking about. I freaking love this foundation. This is like one of the best drugstore foundations I have ever used. I love it and I will repurchase it again and again and again. There is another foundation, and there is a very little amount left. It is not completely finished yet, but I guess I will finish it in like 1 week or so if I use it regularly. Since I have so many foundations, I do not tend to reach for one particular foundation all the time until or unless I am entirely obsessed. And I'm talking about this Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage 24-hour matte foundation. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Do I have to say anything? If you have been following me on my channel, you must know I love this foundation. It is full coverage, it is long lasting, it is transfer proof, and I always use this foundation in my bridal makeup tutorials. So if you are a bride-to-be, if you are going to purchase a foundation, all these foundations, the PAC one, the Milani one and this one, they all are great for you. So if you are looking for a foundation for your big day, definitely give it a shot, and I will 100% purchase this foundation, but probably I will grab another shade. When I went to grab this foundation, the shade 228 or 310 were out of stock. The card, please excuse that. So yeah, those two shades were out of stock, so I ended up grabbing the shade 220. But next time I'm planning to get the shade 228 or 310 maybe, because it's summer and I needed a darker shade. But I will definitely grab this foundation. Next I have some setting sprays, and the first one that I have here is this Milani Make It Last setting spray. It is completely gone, you can see. Probably I can use it on my face one last time. Will I repurchase it? 100%. I love this makeup setting spray for a couple of reasons why I love it. First of all, you can use it as your primer water. So sometimes when I go out and I do not wear foundations, I just wear BB cream, I just want a very light base on my skin. I tend to reach for this type of products, which I can use as my primer. I can use it as to set my makeup. It really prolongs the wear time of my makeup. I have seen a tremendous difference when I use this particular product. It is a great product, and in my opinion, it is a great dupe for the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. It does prolong the wear time of my makeup. It melts down all the powderiness, and everything just works together on my face. My bronzer, my blush, everything. I love it. And I also like this to like as my face mist. Whenever I am feeling a bit of tired, whenever I am feeling I need that boost of hydration and refreshment, I use it. It works great, and I will repurchase it. Next, there is another setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and it is completely gone. You can see there is nothing left. I have finished it up completely. I have already purchased this particular product, and I am actually wearing this setting spray on my face today before the Milani one. So yeah, I have already purchased it. It is a great drugstore setting spray, though it says it's a dewy finished setting spray, but according to me it gives a very natural kind of a look. It is not overly dewy, it is not overly matte. It provides a very natural kind of a finish, and actually the Milani one also does provide a very natural finish on the skin. So yeah, I have already purchased it. It also like melts down all the powderiness, and it really prolongs the wear time of my makeup. Though I do not necessarily use it as my base, but I use it to set my makeup and to refresh it, and I love it. I've already purchased it. I will be repurchasing it again and again and again. So there are 3 setting sprays from Wet n Wild that I have completely finished up. These Wet n Wild 3-in-1 Primer, Water, Preps and Refresh Rose version. The Cucumber version, I have broken the lid. The Cucumber version over here. Focus. Oh, sorry. This here one, and the Natural Finish setting spray, again from Wet n Wild. I love these products, especially these two. They came out like last year, or I think at the end of 2018 they came out with these versions, like the coconut one, the rose one and the cucumber one. You can use it as your primer, as your makeup setting spray, as well as you can refresh your makeup with these particular sprays. I love it. Again, I often reach for it as my base. Now, whenever I'm doing very light amount of makeup, like some BB cream and a very light layer of foundation, I will not be wearing foundation or makeup for a long time, I know. Then I reach for it as my primer spray. It is very quick and easy, and it also sets my makeup beautifully. It just melts down every bit of powderiness, and my skin just looks so healthy, and my makeup looks so much skin-like. So I love these products. I have already repurchased the rose one because I love the smell of the rose, and I will not repurchase the cucumber one, though the cucumber smell is very refreshing, but I prefer the rose one, so I have repurchased the rose one. And talking about this Natural Finish setting spray, probably I will not repurchase it, though I'm not saying that it's a bad product. It is also a great product, gives your face a very natural looking, melts down all the powderiness and makes your makeup long lasting. But I prefer the rose one over this Natural Finish setting spray. Oh my god. So I will be purchasing the rose one again and again and again, but not these two. Next, I have another setting spray. Now I go through my setting sprays like this because I use them before my makeup, after my makeup to set my makeup, and then I also use them time to time to refresh my makeup. So I have a lot of setting spray empties. The next setting spray that I have emptied out completely is this e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set setting spray. You have probably seen me using this particular spray a lot, and this is only for $3. This is the cheapest makeup setting spray I have ever used. Will I repurchase it? Of course I will repurchase it, but this time I have repurchased the Natural Finish one. It's a matte one, but I prefer the Natural Finish one. That one is really good. It's not like I love it, like love it like my other setting sprays like the Milani one or the L'Oreal Infallible one, but it's not a bad product either. Like for $3 you cannot beat it. It does prolong the wear time of makeup. I'm not saying that it makes my makeup very long lasting. No, it does not do that. But whenever I know that I'll be wearing makeup for like 2 to 3 hours or 3 hours, 4 hours, then I use this particular product, because it does prolong the wear time of makeup for like 3 hours and 4 hours mark. So that's why I have just repurchased it. And yeah, I do not love it, I do not hate it either. So it is like something in between, and I have to purchase this product because sometimes I know I will not be wearing makeup for more than 3 hours, and I do not wish to use some other setting sprays. It works for me. So yeah, I have repurchased it, and probably I will repurchase it again. There are next two mascaras that I have emptied out completely. Number one is this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and number two is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I have already repurchased both of them. I love both of these mascara. I like the Lash Sensational one a little bit more than this volumizing one, but on its own they both are really excellent mascaras. They separate your lashes, they makes your lashes look voluminous, look lengthy and full, and they give you a little bit of lash extension effect. Love it. Maybelline knows their mascara game. I generally love Maybelline mascaras and Essence mascaras. These two are really good, and I have already repurchased it. I highly recommend it. There is another product that is not officially empty, but I'm going to empty it out in like less than 1 week or so, and I'm talking about this Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation. Right here you can see how much I have used up completely. I have very little amount of product left in this pan. Will I repurchase it? 100%. This is my holy grail product. I have seen so many people who like love it or completely hate it. I first got the recommendation from Tati. Though I do not like it as a powder foundation on its own, but to set my makeup, it is an excellent product. I set my foundation with it. It does an excellent job. It gives a lot of coverage, and it is a perfect dupe for the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. So it is a great compact powder. The powder is really soft, nicely milled, and it sets my makeup. It gives a little bit of coverage as well. So yeah, I will be 100% repurchasing this product, and I highly recommend it. I do not have oily skin, so I do not give you my thoughts on oil controlling part, but it does make my makeup look really airbrushed, really like flawless. It gives my makeup a little bit of smoother effect. So I will definitely purchase this product. Next, I have 4 concealers that I have emptied out completely. And first 2 are from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Conceal Dark Eraser Concealer. You have already, if you have been following me, you know that I have already repurchased this particular product. But this is in the shade Sand Sable, 20 Sand Sable. But this time when I went to pick it up, I noticed that Maybelline has repackaged it, and with that I noticed the shade 20 Sand Sable is very similar to the shade Medium. And the shade 20 in the newer packaging is way too light, way too light. So if you are planning to repurchase this product, please keep in mind they have changed the packaging, and with that the shade range is a bit different. So I recommend you to go to the store and find your own particular shade. So yeah, I have already purchased the shade Medium in this concealer. It's a great concealer. It is very lightweight, does not crease, gives you a medium to full coverage. I love it. And the next Maybelline concealer that I have here is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And again, the same case, they have repackaged it, and I use the shade 20 Sand Sable in this Fit Me concealer. But when I went to repurchase them, I noticed that 20 Sand Sable was way too light, so I had to repurchase the shade 25 Medium. So please keep that thing in mind. Again, very lightweight, very affordable concealer. It's like more like a medium coverage concealer, but you can totally build it up. It is very long lasting, does not crease, very lightweight on the skin. I love the finish of this concealer as well. So yeah, I will repurchase. Oh my god, I will be repurchasing this concealer. Next 2 concealers are the first one is from Wet n Wild. They are photo focus concealer, but actually I prefer this concealer, this Wet n Wild one, over my Fit Me concealer. If you ask me, I will probably recommend you this concealer over this Maybelline Fit Me one. Anyway, both are great concealers. So yeah, I will repurchase this concealer. It is a medium coverage concealer, and there are days when I do not want full glam, full coverage. There are days when I want more medium natural finished products, and I reach for this concealer a lot. I have emptied it out. I haven't repurchased it yet, but I will repurchase it because it is out of stock everywhere, on Ulta's website, on I generally get my product from Ulta, so I was not able to repurchase this product, but definitely I will repurchase it once it is back in stock. The next product is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This is in this shade C7 Water Concealer. This is a great concealer, and it is a perfect dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. Now so many people say that it is a little bit drying. Well, it is. Before using this particular concealer, especially if you have dry under eyes, you need to use an eye cream or any kind of moisturizer underneath your eyes. That is the only one con about this particular concealer. Other than that, it works really great for me. Personally, it does not crease on me, it does not settle on my fine lines, it is very long lasting and full coverage. For me personally, it works really well for me, and I will be purchasing this product. And I don't know, I just finished this product up really quickly, but I have a feeling that I have still some products left inside the packaging, and I have to use some warm water to melt down the product and see if I can use it or not. But yeah, I will be purchasing it, but definitely I will repurchase a darker shade because it is C7, it is way too light for me, so definitely I will repurchase a darker shade. Next I have a lash glue. This is a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Lash Glue, latex free, clear one. This is the only lash glue that I use, and I have already repurchased it. I prefer this one over my Duo lash glue. I love it so much. This is the best lash glue I have ever used. I prefer it. I have used the Huda Beauty one. I do not use it anymore because this product works better than the Huda Beauty one, according to me at least. So yeah, I will be purchasing it, and I highly recommend it. The next product is this Essence Make Me Eyebrow Mascara over here. Yes, I have already repurchased it, and this is in the shade Brownie Brows, by the way. So yeah, I have already repurchased it. It sets my brows, it gives a little bit of volume to my brows. It does not make it look matte. It does not make it look flat. It gives life to my brows. It sets my brows for a longer period of time, and nowadays I cannot do without a brow gel. I have already purchased it, and I will be purchasing it, and it has fibers in it, so it makes your brows look a little bit like fuller, so yeah, I will be purchasing this product 100%, and this is only for $2. So for $2, nothing can beat it. I have used the CoverGirl eyebrow gel, the Milani one, but I still go back to this particular eyebrow gel, and the one is so skinny, so it is really easy to use as well. So yeah, that's it. I recommend it. I will be purchasing it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.